How to create a money-making website in 2024. No coding needed. Welcome all my friends, family, and wonderful subscribers. I am so excited that you are here. You are in for a treat. Hey there, future webmasters and digital entrepreneurs. How are you doing today? Welcome back to DeeperValueWithin, your ultimate destination for learning about passive income and social media marketing. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of website building. By the end of this video, you will have all the knowledge you need to create your own professional-looking website. Please note, none of this is sponsored, and the content is based on information researched at the time when the video was recorded. We will cover everything from web hosting to theme selection and customization. So, grab your notebooks. Be sure to stay to the end because, as a gift to you, I will share the nuggets on how to create your own professional website in just 20 minutes. But before we start, let us review some important technology words you need to know. These words might sound a bit tricky at first, but do not worry, I will explain them. If you have not already, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content every week. Trust me, you do not want to miss out. Let us get started. Technology words and their meanings. A website is like an online house. It is a place on the internet where people can visit to see information, pictures, videos, and more. Web hosting. What is that? Glad you ask. Web hosting is like renting a plot of land on the internet. It is where your website lives, and all the files and information are stored. Server. A server is like a big computer that stores your website and sends it to people's browsers when they want to visit it. Domain name. A domain name is like your home address but for your website. It is what people type in their browser to find your website, like www.yourwebsite.com. WordPress. WordPress is a tool that helps you build and manage your website easily. Think of it like a big box of Lego bricks where you can create anything you want. Theme. A theme is like the design of your website. It is how your website looks, including colors, layout, and style. Plugin. A plugin is like an app for your website. It adds extra features and functions, like contact forms, photo galleries, or SEO tools. SEO, search engine optimization. SEO is a way to make your website appear higher in Google search results. It is like putting up signs on the road so more people can find your house. URL, Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is the address of a specific page on your website. It is like the room number in your house. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the language used to create web pages. It is like the blueprint of your website. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used to style your website. It is like the paint and decorations that make your website look pretty. Responsive design. Responsive design means your website looks good on any device, whether it is a computer, tablet, or smartphone. It is like making sure your house is comfortable no matter who visits. SSL, Secure Sockets Layer. SSL is a technology that keeps your website secure. It is like having a strong lock on your front door. Backend. The backend is the part of the website where you manage things behind the scenes. It is like the control room of your house. Front end. The front end is what visitors see and interact with on your website. It is like the living room and garden of your house. Now that we have covered these basic technology words, you will be ready to follow along as we build a website together. Remember, creating a website is like building your dream house on the internet. These words are the tools and materials you will use. Imagine having a stunning website that attracts visitors, showcases your work, and even helps you make money, all without needing to be a tech wizard. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it is possible, and I am going to show you how. What is web hosting? First things first, let us talk about web hosting. Think of web hosting as renting space on the internet for your website. Just like you need a plot of land to build a house, you need web hosting to make your website accessible to everyone online. In detail, web hosting providers offer the technology and services needed to view your website on the internet. They store all the files, images, and data that make up your site on their servers. When someone types your website address into their browser, the hosting provider delivers your site's content to them. There are several types of web hosting. Shared hosting. Multiple websites share the same server. It is affordable but can be slower if other sites use too many resources. VPS hosting. Virtual private server hosting provides a dedicated portion of a server. It is faster and more secure than shared hosting. Dedicated hosting. You get an entire server to yourself. It is expensive but offers the best performance and security. Cloud hosting. Your website is hosted on multiple servers, providing flexibility and scalability. It is great for handling high traffic. Web hosting sites, from minimum cost to costly but recommended. Now, look at some popular web hosting providers, ranging from budget-friendly to premium options. Minimum cost. Bluehost. Bluehost is beginner-friendly, offers excellent customer support, and includes a free domain name for the first year. It is great for personal blogs or small business websites. Cost. Plans start at $2.95 per month. Mid-range. SiteGround. SiteGround provides superior speed and security features, along with excellent support. It is ideal for growing websites that need more reliability. Cost. Plans start at $3.99 per month. Premium. WP Engine. WP Engine is a managed WordPress hosting provider known for its top-notch performance, security, and customer service. It is perfect for high-traffic sites or businesses that need the best performance. Cost. Plans start at $30 per month. Installing an app. WordPress. Next, let us talk about installing an app to build your website. One of the most popular and powerful apps is WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system, CMS, that allows you to create and manage your website easily. It is user-friendly and highly customizable. How to install WordPress. Log into your hosting account. Go to your hosting provider's control panel. Find the WordPress installer. Most hosts have a one-click install option for WordPress. Follow the prompts. Enter your site details, such as site name and admin information. Install. Click the install button and wait for the process to complete. Access your site. Once installed, you can access your WordPress dashboard by going to your domain.com/wpadmin. Choosing and adding a theme. Now that WordPress is installed, it is time to choose a theme. A theme determines the look and feel of your website. How to choose a theme. Purpose. Choose a theme that fits your website's purpose, such as a blog, e-commerce, or portfolio. Features. Look for features you need, like customizable headers, multiple layouts, or e-commerce integration. Responsiveness. Ensure the theme is mobile-friendly and looks good on all devices. How to add a theme. Go to Appearance Themes in your WordPress dashboard. Add New. Click the Add New button to browse available themes. Install and activate. Find a theme you like, click Install, and then Activate to apply it to your site. Customization of a website. Once you have a theme, it is time to customize your site to make it yours. Customization tips. Customize theme. Go to Appearance, Customize. Here, you can adjust the site identity, colors, header, background, and more. Add pages. Go to Pages, Add New to create essential pages like Home, About, Services, and Contact. Menu setup. To organize your site's navigation, go to Appearance, Menus and add the pages you created to your menu. Widgets. Add functionality to your site using widgets. Go to Appearance, Widgets and add items like search bars, recent posts, and social media links. Plugins. Install plugins to extend your site's capabilities. Popular plugins include Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, WooCommerce for e-commerce, and Contact Form 7 for creating contact forms. Additional tips for a professional-looking website. High-quality images. Use high-quality images to make your site visually appealing. Stock photo sites like Unsplash and Pexels offer free, high-quality images. Consistent branding. To build a strong brand identity, maintain a consistent color scheme, typography, and logo throughout your site. SEO optimization. Use an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO to optimize your content for search engines. This helps improve your site's visibility and ranking. Regular updates. Keep your WordPress, theme, and plugins updated to ensure security and performance. Analytics. Install Google Analytics to track your site's performance and understand your audience better. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you, you are valuable. Your unique vision and creativity can turn a simple website into something extraordinary. Do not be afraid to experiment and make it your own. So, there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to building your own professional-looking website in 2024. From choosing the right web hosting to customizing your site, you now have the tools and knowledge to create a unique online presence. Thank you so much for sticking with us to the end of this video. As a special gift, I want to introduce you to 5 amazing GPT-based tools. GPT stands for Generative Pre-training Transformer. GPT is a kind of artificial intelligence, AI, that can help you build a website without coding knowledge. It can take 20 minutes or less minutes to build and start making money. These tools are perfect for beginners and will make your website building journey a breeze. Let us dive in. 1. Wix Audi, Artificial Design Intelligence. What is it? Wix Audi is a feature within the Wix platform that uses artificial intelligence to create a website for you. It asks you a few simple questions about your website needs and preferences, and then it designs a customized website for you in minutes. Why it's great for novices. No coding required. Intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Customizable design options. Wide range of templates to choose from. 2. Squarespace. What is it? Squarespace is a popular website builder known for its beautiful, professional templates and user-friendly interface. It provides a variety of tools to help you create a stunning website without any technical skills. Why it is great for novices. Easy-to-use drag-and-drop builder. Professional, high-quality templates. Built-in tools for SEO, e-commerce, and analytics. (24/7) customer support. (3) Weebly. What is it? Weebly is a beginner-friendly website builder that offers a simple drag-and-drop interface. It is ideal for creating personal blogs, portfolios, or small business websites. Why it is great for novices. User-friendly interface with drag-and-drop functionality. Customizable templates. Integrated e-commerce features. Free and paid plans are available. 4. WordPress.com. What is it? WordPress.com is a hosted version of the popular WordPress platform. It offers a simplified experience for creating a website or blog, with a variety of themes and customization options. Why it is great for novices. There is no need to worry about hosting or technical setup. Access to a wide range of free and premium themes. Built-in tools for SEO and social media integration. Scalable, allowing your website to grow with you. 5. Shopify. What is it? Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows you to create and manage an online store. It is perfect for anyone looking to sell products online without dealing with the complexities of coding. Why it is great for novices. Easy setup with drag-and-drop store builder. Beautiful, mobile responsive templates. Integrated payment processing and shipping solutions. Extensive app store to add additional features. I hope these tools help you get started on your website building journey. With these GPT-based platforms, you can create a professional, beautiful website without coding skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Deeper Value Within. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Until next time, keep creating. Stay valuable.